Assalamu alaikum. I am Sajid and you're watching my YouTube channel. And in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to study how to sort lists in Python. Okay, so in the list object, there is a method sort which will sort the list alphanumerically ascending by default. So this is default configuration, alphanumerical ascending order. Okay, let's do this example. We have an example here which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements in it, and we create this list in our right in Python. Now what we will do, see here, we will do just this list dot sort. Currently you can see it's not sorted. We have orange, mango, kiwi, pineapple and banana. So we will say this list dot sort, okay, and then print this list. Now see, B is first, mango, kiwi, mango, orange and pineapple. So it means the list has been sorted from in alphabetical order and in ascending order. Okay, we have B first, then K, then M, then O, then P. Okay, let's look at another example where we have numbers. Okay, so how to sort these numbers? Okay, so these numbers, now we change our list. We say like this, and we have a list numbers, this list dot sort. Okay, and then we say print this list. Now see, it has been sorted in ascending order, 23, 50, 65, 82 and 100. So it means this function is sort function is working properly. Next we see if we have to do this in do the sorting in descending order. So for this in sort function, we will do this reverse is equal to true. So let's try this example. Okay, so we had this list, and again we have activated it, this list dot sort, and the reverse is equal to true, reverse is equal to true. Okay, and enter. Now if we do, see, now it's been sorted in descending order. We have pineapple first, orange, mango, kiwi and banana. So now we have sorted it in descending order. Similarly, we can apply this on this numbers list, and when we will do reverse is equal to true, it will be sorted in descending order. Okay, so now we see customizing sort function. So by now we have seen that we were using the sort function in its default form. Only one change we made was if we have to do the reverse of like true, so that ascending or descending order can be changed. Now we see here you can also customize your own function by using the keyword argument key is equal to function. The function will return a number that will be used to sort the list, the lowest number first. Okay, here we have a situation where we have a list where and with numbers 100, 50, 65, 82 and 23, and we have defined this function which returns absolute value of n minus 50. Okay, so what it will do, it will, this function is passed as a key to the sort function. It will subtract each element like 100 from 50 and take absolute value, and whatever the sequence will be made after subtracting all these numbers like 10, 50, 65, 82, 23, accordingly it will be sorted, right? So let's try this. So in this situation, all the sorting will be in such a fashion that numbers will be nearest to the their difference from 50. The nearest number will be sorted in ascending order. Okay, let's see this. Okay. Right, and we have definition my func, is it Matthew and C my func, okay, n, okay, return absolute value n minus 50. Okay, then we say this list dot sort key is equal to my function. There is some error. We didn't say this list. This list. Now I believe it's fine. Okay. Right. Now we print this list. See, 50, 65, 23, 82, 100. Here now 50 was the closest number to 50, so it comes first. Then 65 is okay. Then 65 is the closest because its difference from 50 is 15. 23 was the next, 82 and 100, right? So this is how this been sorted with the help of this function which calculates absolute value. Next we see case sensitivity. By default, the sort method is case sensitive, resulting in all capital letters being sorted before lowercase letters, right? Here we have this list, and let's try this how it's sorted with n. Okay, we have this list with 4 items, and if we have sorted out and see what happens. See, first it sorted the strings or words starting with capital letters and then small letters. If we want to make this thing like we want it to be case insensitive, for this we will pass on the function string.lower. So this key function will convert all these values to small letters first and then sort them, and then we will have case insensitive sorting. Okay, so if you say we can try this now, we have this list. We say this list dot sort key is equal to str dot lower. Okay, and now we do print this list. See, now it has converted it to lower letters, and then now banana comes first, cherry, kiwi and orange. Okay, so I mean, actually, in the result, they remain capital, but they become case insensitive. Next is reversing the order of a list. So, how we reverse the order of a list? For this, we have a function called reverse. This will totally reverse the order of the list. Okay, and this reverses the order of the list regardless of the alphabet. Okay, method reverse the current sorting order of the element. So whatever current order of sorting is in the list, it will be reversed. For example, in this list, cherry is at the end. So after this function is applied, cherry will come first, then kiwi, then orange, then banana. Okay, so we have banana, orange. Yeah, this list there. We say this list dot reverse, enter, and then print this list. See now, it's been reversed. Cherry, kiwi, orange, and banana. Right? Okay, dear students, I will wrap up my video here. In this video, you have learned how to sort a list in ascending order, descending order, case insensitive order, and using some function as a key to control your sorting procedure. Right, so I hope the video has been informative for you. If you like it, please share with your other friends. I will be back with another video very soon. Till that time, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.